Hey guys, it's Mayuri. Today I'm going to be trying the Indian healing clay mask. I saw a lot of YouTubers doing it, like Princess Chanel, Azealia Williams, Tatiana Ali. So yeah, I'm going to see if it's worth the hype. So let's get started. So I just washed my hair with this. And you don't have to wash your hair, but I did because I just felt like it. I don't know if it's a good idea. Ooh, can I mix it? It says not to mix it with any metal, so make sure you do it with only plastic or like wooden stuff. So yeah. How it's looking. It stinks so bad. I don't know if I want to put this in my hair or on my face anymore. But you know, I think this is perfect. Thick. This feels so bad. I'm kind of scared to put this on my face. It smells so bad.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting with RP. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to do what making you be. And that's a whole lot of
I'm gonna put it on my face.
never make it. That's just a way for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just a way for words, don't wanna face it. But I think there's some kind of love, baby. Drip, drip. That is the type of love, baby. Drip, drip. I know you're stick love, baby. Drip, drip. Stick love, baby.
So I'm kind of worried about it getting in my edges. It's kind of cute. Smells so bad.
What?
This probably is never gonna dry. I'm scared. So scared. Oops, I put it in my eyebrow. Man, that's not me. Put it in my hair, so. But, I'm trying to get it off my eyebrow.
Mama just back it up, 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 back
I'm so scared. Like, what if my hair falls out? Or my freaking face breaks out? This is so good. have a second thoughts about this. So I'm gonna just wait till it dries, you know, gets a little harder, and then wash it out. Hey guys, so the mask is like 90% dry. It burns a lot. I can't move my face, so I'm just gonna wash it off because it really burns. Hopefully my hair looks good too. I'm gonna wash it out. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash it out and then come back. Can't move my face. Oh my god. So this is how my hair looks. It looks super good. It feels super good. And it has no products in it, which is crazy. It feels so soft. I think I left some in here though. So I'm gonna take it back and wash that out. But you know, it's okay. It was pretty easy washing it out. But on my face, I had to like scrub to get it off. But it just rinsed right out my hair. But yeah, it looks so good. It feels so soft. Alright, so I'm gonna go rinse the rest of this out because I left some in here by accident. But yeah, I'm gonna deep condition and then come back.
What is that?
I left this sit in for like 5 minutes. I don't feel like waiting anymore, so I'm just gonna take it out. And I deep condition with this. And it's not a deep conditioner, but it's a leave-in. But I didn't feel like rinsing my hair out again, so I just did it with the leave-in. So yeah, let's see how it looks.
Got it! Got it! Oh!
Suicide if you ever gonna.
Wow.
Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sorry, oh yeah.
It looks good to me. Feels soft. But I'm not sure if it feels soft because the mask was hard or if it's really soft. I think it's soft, like really soft though, like way softer than normal. And my face also feels soft, if you were wondering. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a twist out and come back when my twist out is all dry so you can see the final result.
Beat it up like